Imagine you're deciding what to wear in the morning. You might think, if it's raining, I'll wear a raincoat. Otherwise, I'll wear a light jacket. In programming, we often need to make decisions based on specific conditions. So today, we'll explore how to make these decisions in JavaScript using control structures such as if, else, and switch statements. The if statement is a fundamental concept in programming. It evaluates a condition, and if the condition is true, it runs a block of code. The syntax looks like this. If condition, open braces, and inside the braces, you would place your code that you would need to run. Now let's comment this code, and let's have a real one. Let's have a variable called age equal to 25, and let's test if age is greater than 18, then we want to print you are 18 or older. And we made a mistake here because we have to be 18 or older, so greater or equal than 18. Let's try to run the program using node index.js, and of course it will print you are 18 or older. But what if you want to provide an alternative action when the condition is false? That's where the else statement comes in. Here's the syntax. If we have a condition and that condition is true, we run some code. Else, we run another block of code. So code to run when condition false, and this is a code to run when condition is true. Let's comment this again. You can use the other type of command that we have learned about. So in this case, if you are not 18 or older, we can print you are under 18. If we run the code again, you will see that we are 18 or older, but if we change this to, for example, 14, and run the code, you will see that you are under 18 is printed. Sometimes you might need to check multiple conditions. You can use the else if statement for this purpose. For example, let's categorize users by age groups. So let's change this a bit. If we are under 18, we can print you are under 18, right? Just visualize this for a second. So age is 14. If you are under 18, we print you are under 18. Else if age is greater than or equal to 18 and age is less than 30, we can print you are between 18 and 30, or actually 29. If we are not under 18 and we are not under 18 and 30, we can have an else statement saying you are 30 or older. And we can add how many conditions we want. For example, we can add another one. Let's see. If you are between 30 and 45, we can print you are between 30 and 44. If you are not, then the remaining case is that you are 45 or older. Let's see how this works. So if age is 14, you are under 18. If age is 19, for example, you are between 18 and 29. If it's 31 or 32, you are between 30 and 44. And if it's 45, you are 45 or older. Now this is one way to handle conditions and is the most used one. But another way to handle multiple conditions is by using the switch statement. Let's remove this and see how the switch statement works. And the syntax is the keyword switch, we have expression under parentheses, and we have multiple values. Use the keyword case, and then value 1. Then we have the code to run if expression is equal to value 1. And then we use the break keyword. I will tell you in a moment what this means, but let's have a case 2. So case value 2, code to run if expression is equal to value 2. Break. And the last one is the default case. So if it's not equal to value 1, it's not equal to value 2, this is what happens. Code to run if expression doesn't match any case. Let me show you an example so you can understand how this works. Let's comment this to have a reference. And let's say we have a variable called day, and it's equal to Tuesday. And then we switch day. So day is the expression, right? It's Tuesday. And we want to check, is day equal to Monday? In which case we can print today is Monday, and then use a break statement. If the case is Tuesday, console log, today is Tuesday. And then break, you will see in a moment what that means. And let's do the same for all of the days that we have in a week. So let me just copy and paste that. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Thursday. Today is Thursday. Friday. Saturday. And we have another one, which is Sunday. And the default case would be that we placed an invalid day. So default console log invalid day. Good. Now let's first see how this works. So we had a variable called Tuesday. We checked, is the day equal to Monday? No. Is it equal to Tuesday? Yes. Then it should print today is Tuesday. Let's see if it works. Today is Tuesday. If we change the value of the variable day with Monday, we run the program, today is Monday. If we change it to Saturday, run the program, today is Saturday. But if we have something that's not listed here, so it's not Monday, not Tuesday, not Friday, not anything, we will go into the default case, which is an invalid day. So if we had 1, 2, 3, for example, or anything else that's not listed here, you will see invalid day. Now let's see what happens if the day is equal to Monday, but we remove the break statement. Let's run the program. Today is Monday and today is Tuesday. Why is that? Because the break statement says that if you satisfy this case, you should not go to the next one. So if we have switch day and the case is Monday and do a break statement, it would only execute console log today is Monday. But if we remove it, it would also execute the next statement. If we also remove the next one, it will print today is Monday, today is Tuesday, today is Wednesday. And that's why you need to use a break statement after each case. 90% of the time you will use if statements, but sometimes you need to use a switch statement. So it's very important to know this too.